Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the honor model and charging the phone above 20% so the process won't fail. Connect to Wi-Fi or prepare a USB cable. Once ready, back up photos and contacts because removing the password can erase data. This step protects you. Next, enable developer options if accessible, or note that you'll use recovery tools. These are necessary for the methods that follow. Make sure you have a PC available when instructed to run commands. You now choose the method that fits your situation. First, use Smart Lock or Find My Device to remotely unlock, because they are non-destructive and quick. Once done, if you have USB debugging enabled, use ADB to remove the credential storage or run fastboot commands. These let you delete the lock file directly. If those aren't possible, boot recovery and perform a factory reset. This removes the lock but wipes user data. Transition deliberately between approach. Once the reset or removal completes, reboot the phone and proceed through initial setup. You'll need to sign into the original Google or Huawei account if factory reset protection activates. That's why credentials matter. After setup, restore your backup and set a new memorable screen lock or enable biometric unlock for convenience. If the phone still requests previous account details, pause and retrieve that account information. If you cannot, contact Honor Support. This avoids bricking the device and restores legit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.